All right, so here is part one of the experiment, doing temperature and reaction rate. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure out 1/2 cup of vinegar. So this is my, right here, this is the measuring cup I'm using, and the 1/2 cup marking, you can probably not see it, but it's right there. So we're going to go ahead and start by measuring out 1/2 cup of vinegar. We pour it into our large mug. There we are. And now we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So perfectly level 1/2 teaspoon, and here we go.
What are you doing?
Experiment.
What is, does
I'm
it burn?
recording it for students.
Does it burn?
And it's done.
Does it burn?
No, it doesn't burn. There is no burning.
But it smells bad.
Yeah, it smells like vinegar. Okay, we're gonna wash this out and start round 2.
Can I see?
Okay, so this is vinegar that has been microwaved for 15 seconds. We're gonna get another 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda I have right here. And my son is gonna dump it in all at one time. All at once?
Okay.
So good.
It's bubbly.
Okay, and that's that trial. Now we're going to move on to the 30 seconds for microwave vinegar. Okay, so now this is 30 seconds for microwave vinegar, and we're going to add the 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Here we go. I don't know if you could see that, but there was a bit of steam coming off of it that time. The vinegar is quite warm. Okay, so now we're not going to redo the one that's the 1/2 cup of vinegar because we already did that with the first trial. You can take that time and use it again for the first trial for the concentration and reaction rate. So now we have here is a 1/2 cup of vinegar, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water to this. So this is now vinegar that has been diluted. So it's 2 parts vinegar, 1 part water, which means that because normal vinegar is 5% acetic acid, this would now be 3.3% acetic acid, or 3.3% vinegar. So it's diluted from what it was before. And we're going to now take again our 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and we'll put it in. Here we go. Okay, last trial here. We have a 1/2 cup of vinegar, and now I'm adding 1/2 cup of water. So this is now down to 2.5% vinegar, right? Because I have 1/2 cup of each. So now it's half the concentration it was. So if the acetic acid was 5%, now we're at 2.5%. I actually have to dry off my teaspoon to make sure that the baking soda doesn't stick to it. And we're now good to go. Here we go. And that is the end.